Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I'll show you the skin disease detection using Python. So this is the dataset like of lesson and streak. These are the regular streaks. Let's copy the path of that particular image. Okay, and open the project code. So let's open the detection code and we have to rename that particular path. Okay, so I'm just renaming with the image name. We also have to copy the location of the YOLO v3 file. Okay, just copy the location and paste in the code. So I'm just replacing with that particular location. And copy that location and paste here in that YOLO v3 final.wait file and save this file and again run python space detection.py and it will identify like irregular streaks 0.68 with the accuracy. This will be the complete project. Let's open the project code. So this will be the project code and we have defined the classes like irregular streaks, no streaks and regular streaks. So let's open the irregular streaks. It contains 90 images. Let's close and open no streaks like 77 images and then open the regular streaks. It contains 82 images of dataset. So the model is trained on the particular images. This will be the detection code YOLO v3 and YOLO v3 wait file. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.